In this video, we will learn 10 easy words starting with you for kids. Up, up, under, under, umbrella, umbrella, unicorn, unicorn, uniform, uniform, upset, upset, university, university, universe, universe, unity, unity, use, use, utensil, utensil. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.